In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play starving artists. So the first thing that we actually need to do is we need to come into Roblox here and we need to type it into the top. So starving artist like this. So then you can see it's actually this one here and we just want to click on it like this and join the game. Now, starving artists is a good one that can get you donations if you can do good art for people. Now, I am not very good at art, but I'm still going to show you how the whole thing works. So first you have to agree to the terms and conditions like that, and boom, we are ready to go. So there's a ton of different things here. This is the leaderboard section. This is how much people have actually made from this, the most valuable art of all time. You have the season passes. You get daily rewards here if you keep up a streak. I've just got some art coins. It teaches you how to play here. So start by sitting on your stool to create a piece of art. After you finish your masterpiece, equip it to your canvas. Link your art to one of the shirts/game passes. So I'm going to teach you how to do that now. You can also get eggs and frames and stuff. I'm actually going to grab myself a frame. I just got a new frame. Cool. I just got a common one. So it's kind of boring. You can get bubbles and all that kind of stuff. So if I show you up here, you can actually create a stand up here. And basically like all around here, you can create a stand. So that's some cool art here. This person. So I can go over here and I can actually claim this desk here. So I'm going to hold E. And now I'm in my booth. So I've got my canvas here. And they've got a couple different tools here. So we can start off here and we can make this black. And I can make the background black. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some green, this. So I'm going to add blue. I'm going to make like a nighttime waves ocean picture. There we go. And basically you have to click on the different pixels here, like you see this. And it's basically like click and drag kind of thing. So it's just basically going wherever I move my mouse to, basically. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to add a little bit of a different color. Yeah, be careful to do that. I've just like dragged paint everywhere, which isn't ideal. Basically here you just really want to draw your painting or your art. Lastly, I'm going to go for a bit of a lighter one here. And I'm just going to try to go over all of the different colors here. So I'm just creating my art here. It's good to use different colors and stuff like that. And if you're an artist, I'm sure you'll know what to do. You can also get inspiration online. And you can use this little tool here to delete. But you can see you have to be really careful. Like I've just messed up there. But I'm sure we can do something with that. We can just fill it with like, let's just put a color here for some reason to fill that. There we go. So now I'm going to add something in the sky. I'm going to add like the moon or something. I'm going to make it white. And I'm going to add it around here. I think that looks good. I'm going to fill it here with this. Cool, we've got the moon. Then I'm going to add some rays coming off the moon. And maybe I'll add a smiley face to the moon. That is a bad smiley face, but that will do. So that is my piece of art. Now I can click next and finish. I can name it if I would like to. I'm going to put moon water. Now obviously you'd spend a lot more time on this if you actually wanted to make it good. So now that I'm done, I can add a sign here if I want to. I can add a radio. I can add a canvas. You have to buy more canvases there. I'm going to put my sign. Please buy my art. Done. So now I can actually go over to my canvases here. Oops, I didn't want to go there. And I can actually go ahead and add my canvas. Now, I haven't actually got this for sale yet because I haven't created a game pass for it. But what I can do here is I can click on it, and at the bottom it's going to say need help creating a game pass, so I can click on that, and it's going to teach you how to basically do this. If you go through here, it's going to teach you how to make a game pass for your art. Now I actually do have a video on the channel about how to create a game pass for different things, so if you want to watch that, then go ahead. It's a pretty useful video, and will really help you if you do want to actually sell your art on here. Something else you can do is you can just go around here, you can look at other people's art, and you can actually go and buy their art if you'd like to. So the way you do that, you just go up to them, and you can tip them like this. Or you can go up and you can actually buy it for the amount of Robux they want for it. So yeah, some of these are actually quite cool. I like this one. This one's cool as well. And so is this. And you know, they're pretty reasonable prices. 30 Robux is not bad for a piece of art like this. So that's basically how you would go about playing it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this video helped so other people can watch it and also get the same help. Thank you for watching.